How to create animations on After Effects? Well, first you need to import everything you want to animate on After Effects. So let's say I imported all this video. Well, first thing, once you open After Effects, you need to create compositions. You can drag and drop the video and the video's composition will be automatically chosen, or you can just click a new composition to choose yourself a custom composition you want to create animation on. It's up to you. I'll just drag and drop a video here, and whatever the video's composition is, it's going to automatically choose that as my composition. Once that is done and this video is in my timeline over here, I can drag and drop whatever thing I want. So let's say I want to animate this red thing. I can drag it and drop it in timeline like this. Now once it's over here, I can play around with effects. Now I can also play around with its keyframe. I can click on this arrow over here and click on transform again, and all this thing like anchor point position, I can just click on it to create a keyframe, move forward, and then play around with its position just like this over here, rotate it and stuff like that to create like a basic animation. You can see it created a keyframe. It starts like this, but it basically animates something like this. You guys can see it. Now I can make its time frame slow or fast. Now this is just a simple animation I just taught you how to do. All right, if you want to do complex animation, you cannot play around with these. You have to play around with this preset panel over here. You have to know how to play with effects, what kind of effects you want to add, whether you want to add tracker to the animation, whether you want to add characters, libraries. There's thousands of effects over here, and every effect has different animation style for you. So you need to learn this and do the animation. The one I just taught you is just a basic animation for After Effects. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.